Hi friend, so excited that you are watching this because today I'm going to show you our monthly subscription kit for September. And by this time you're watching, it's sometime in August, and our monthly kit is going to ship on August 15 to 17. And this is the kit for September that we're shipping in August 15. And fall is always one of our best selling, like fans' favorite season because our fall stuff just so good. And I always have so much inspiration in terms of like what I design for fall. And this one, our September kit, is called Autumn Tales. And it's so beautiful. It's just like autumn tale that I am so excited to show you. If you love fall is your thing, definitely let's take a look. If you haven't subscribed our monthly kit, this is the best time because our fall winters are so good. And for the people who already subscribed, thank you so much for joining this journey with me. We are so excited to keep growing even for next year. So hope you stay with us and let's take a look. Okay, great. Let's take a look. As you can tell, this month, September, name is Autumn Tale, and it's really like cottagecore style. And then this beautiful pen, it's like a silver and a rose gold trim. Let's take a look. Let me open it. Okay, I got them all here. Open them up. We have this beautiful pen. I love this style. Very unique, and have this like a foiled silver or champagne color pen. Black ink. Feels really luxury. It has some sort of weight in hand. And then we have the Autumn Tale sticker kit. Planning kit or journaling kit. Then we have the PET. So beautiful. Let's take a look. Autumn Tale. As you can tell, it's kind of cottagecore, more like a country vibe. She's doing the apple picking. She's reading a book. And then she's just like daydreaming, sitting on the fall leaves. And the autumn showers, beautiful vintage frames. And this girl, I love her dress, the goals, appointments. And then we have the dates and the numbers. Those are bullet dots. We have the letters and the numbers. And then those are the washi strip with those beautiful plaid pattern. Here is the PVC, which is all the transparent stickers. Where coziness grow, pumpkin pie or apple pie. The girls together also have some like junk journal kind of elements, also kind of cottagecore inspired. Middle mornings, golden evenings. We have a washi strip, collecting quiet moments. Here we have cottage days are the best days. The girl with the beautiful fall outfits and some more single items. Then here too, washi strip, some more junk journal elements. Our fashion girl drawing. Look at her. She's holding a little sheep or a goat. Not sure. And also like beautiful. Is this like a tablecloth or napkin? Very pretty tea. Probably cinnamon tea. And then those are the washi. You know, like if you haven't used our planning kit, those are the real washi paper, the same texture as the washi. So it's really handy because this kit gives you all sorts of options. You have the plaid, you have this one more like leather, linen, and the girls in this type of fall atmosphere. Here too, you have the strip, finding in the autumn middle, also beautiful fall patterns. And here we have vellum paper. So vellum paper are great for layering or making greeting cards or paper craft. So those vellum are really special. It's another one with the plaid. This is another one with more like a nature, like fall color palette in nature. This one is also the fall fabric texture. Here we also have 4 scrapbooking paper. Means you can use as a background or tear it, layer it, however you want to use. Again, this fall plaid. This is a collage on top of this type of linen texture. And this one is a frame, photo frame. This one is quite unique. Very excited to see how are you going to use this one. And this one is another collage, very pretty. So this is our 19 page of fall planning kit. You have paper texture, paper sticker, you have PVC, you have washi, vellum, scrapbooking paper. So everything you need all together in one kit. So that's why it's so precious. And a lot of people, a lot of our subscribers love this. They told me like this has changed how they planning or how they journaling. So super grateful. And we are excited to keep growing our subscription. So this is the autumn tale. We have a PET tape that I want to show you that comes with the kit. So the PET is transparent sticker. So means you get, this is total 5 meter long, 1.5 meter repeat. You get a lot of different sticker for a long time. We have similar artwork compare the planning kit. So if you love fall, you do a lot of fall planning, this will give you a lot of options. Okay, kind of messy up here. Here we go. So here we have, in the beginning, I kind of ripped it. Middle morning, golden evening. So that's the opening. We have the elements that's in the planning kit as well, but with this matte velvet finish PET that has like all kinds of sticker, different size, shapes. You can also see our girl in more detail and larger. You can see her all this detail in the drawing. Where coziness grow, very Cottagecore fall vibe, which a lot of people love this type of style. It has been growing. Autumn is a gentle magic. Even the floral is beautiful. This girl is the autumn shower. So this is the beginning for the next repeat. You get 3 repeats total in this row for 5 meter long and 1.5 meter repeat. So as you can tell, it's really long. Lots of unique stickers for you. And then we'll take a look at the pen. So this is a new style of pen and really pretty. The texture is really feel nicely. Let's take a look. I have this notebook here. I'll use the back to show you. So let's see. So you can see it's pretty nicely right. Very smooth. So I love this pen. That's our September kit. I've always forgot to mention it's free shipping worldwide, no matter where you are in the world. If you subscribe 3 months or 6 months, the shipping is free. Our subscribers are all over the world. Norway, Iceland to Australia, New Zealand, Asia, like pretty much everywhere. So if you want to be part of our growing subscription club, this is the best month, because even if you subscribe for 3 months, we'll get you to the end of the year, and there's so many goodies are coming. If you decide to subscribe for 6 months, you get a much better deal. You get a much cheaper rate, as well as all our perks. That's like, we may raise the price for New Year, but will remain the same for the current subscribers. So definitely take a look. I'll put the link down below. So excited and grateful for everyone who have subscribed and support our little business. And like I said, we are going to keep growing, keep improving to make the cake even better. Thank you, everyone. I will talk to you soon. Stay tuned for next video because we're gonna show you our fall, individually fall release.